Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite cat channel Quantifiers. So today in the day 5 of our quiz, we are going to discuss some very good questions on quant. So let's just quickly move on to the question. Let's see what it is all about. So ये हमारे पास क्वेश्चन है, वो कह रहा है so, ये हमारे पास क्वेश्चन है, वो कह रहा है कि फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ रूट्स ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन हमें दी हुई है. अब वो कहता है कि यार एक तरफ तो आपके पास है ये एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 19x प्लस 19y और ये किसके इक्वल है 2 इंटू अंडर रूट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 19x प्लस 102 के इक्वल है. See, I know that right now I cannot deal with it. अगर मैं स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड करता हूँ तो स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड करने के बाद it will be फोर्थ डिग्री पॉलिनोमियल. So वहाँ तो बहुत दिक्कत होने वाली है मुझे. So what should I do? I should try to modulate this root into something, or I should put this equal to 2 or do something in order to get my result. So what I will do, see, this is 99, this is 102. So 102 is nothing but 99 plus 3. So basically this equation is the related to this equation. So let me just try to modify it a bit. Let us say x square plus 19x plus 102 is equal to y. Now if I square both sides, x square plus 19x plus 102 को I am writing as 99 plus 3. ठीक है, just to make them similar, 99 plus 3 is equal to y square. मैंने दोनों sides को square किया. Now when I have squared both the sides, can I say this thing? This I have put as y. ठीक है, इसको तो मैंने पूरे को y डाला हुआ है, right? तो यहाँ पे अगर मैं इसको पूरा रिप्लेस करूंगा तो मेरे पास क्या आएगा? If I replace all of it, I will get y square minus 3 is equal to 2y. Simply मैंने इसको y लिख दिया, यहाँ पर पुट कर दिया. तो basically y square minus 3 is equal to 2y. This is my equation. Or I can say that y square minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now this is my equation. Let's say splitting the roots करता हूँ तो y की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? The value of y is 3 or minus 1. So these are the two values. So basically this quotient x square plus 19x plus 102, this is either equal to 3 or it is equal to minus 1. Now it is a square root, so I'll reject the minus 1 case. So if it is rejected, the only possibility is this is the possibility. Now what I will do, let's say squaring both sides. If I square both sides, x square plus 19x plus 102 is equal to 9, or x square plus 19x plus 93 is equal to 0. So basically ये मेरी पूरी इक्वेशन थी वो इस चीज में रिड्यूस हो चुकी है. So this I have reduced to this. So what is the product of this root? Product is c upon a. 93 upon 1. The answer is 93. So it's a very good concept question on our quadratic equation. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let's see what is the second question. अब वो कहता है कि यार इन 2016 साउथ अमेरिकन फुटबॉल ट्रॉफी टूर्नामेंट अमेरिका फाइनल अर्जेंटीना बीट्स ब्राजील बाय 5-2. So Argentina and Brazil, the final score is 5-2. Now in how many ways the two teams could have scored such that at any given point of time the number of goals scored by Brazil was always less than Argentina. So Argentina के goals हमेशा ही ब्राजील से ज्यादा होने चाहिए. So let us see that what are the total number of goals scored. Total number of goals scored are 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are the two cases. Now can I say the first goal has to be done by Argentina only? Let's say Argentina के जो 5 goals हैं A and A. These are the 5 similar goals for Argentina. And Brazil के goals हैं B. So first goal तो हमेशा अर्जेंटीना ही करेगा because Argentina is always greater than Brazil. Can I say second goal भी अर्जेंटीना ही करेगा because अगर अर्जेंटीना ने एक गोल किया हुआ है, अगर उसके बाद ब्राजील ने एक गोल कर दिया तो वो बराबर हो जाएंगे, वो तो पॉसिबल नहीं है. Which means the second goal must also be done by Argentina. Which means right now Argentina is 2 and Brazil is right now 0. Now what is the third possibility? Can I say now either of Argentina or Brazil can score? So now there will be two cases that either of Argentina or Brazil can score. A, and let's say Brazil scored and let's say Argentina scored. Now let's say Brazil has scored. Let's say I'm talking about this case. Let's say Brazil has scored. So if Brazil has scored at this place, can I say right now the score is 2-1, which means next goal must be done by Argentina only. अब अगला गोल अगर ब्राजील ने कर दिया तो वापस 2-2 हो जाएगा, वो तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. तो यानी कि अब देयर इज अगेन 3-1 स्कोर हो गया. Now the score is 3-1. In this case, the score right now at this moment is 3-1. Can I say Brazil has to score a total of 2 goals, which means इसके बाद कोई भी order रहे यहाँ पे A and B can be arranged in any possible order, and my result is not going to change for this, right? So basically, from here my answer will be 3 factorial divided by 2, because A, B, 3 things are to be arranged, 2 are similar, so 3 factorial divided by 2. So in this case, there are 3 possible cases. There are 3 possible cases for this case. Let's talk about this case now. Now in this case, I have assumed that Argentina has scored. Now a very simple thing. Can I say Argentina has scored 3 goals? Now Brazil has a total of 2 goals only. Now in any manner, if they score the remaining goals of A, B, Argentina will always remain on the higher end. Because क्योंकि अर्जेंटीना के 3 गोल्स तो ऑलरेडी हो चुके हैं. अब ब्राजील ने सिर्फ 2 ही गोल करने हैं, चाहे वो पहले दोनों कर ले बाद में कर ले, फर्क ही नहीं पड़ेगा. So basically these 4 things, out of which 2 are of one type, 2 are of other type, are to be arranged. So arrangement for this will be 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial, because 2 A's are same, 2 B's are same. So 24 divided by 4, 6 ways are this. So 3 plus 6, total is 9 ways. Total answer है आपका 9 ways. These are the only 2 possible cases. इसके सिवाय तो कोई केस ही नहीं बनेगा हमारे पास. ठीक है. So with this, I'll wrap up for the day. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, please do subscribe to our channel. And please, if you wish to enroll with us, do as soon as possible. Our new batch is going to start soon. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day.